Halo,
Halo,
assalamualaikum
assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Welcome
Welcome
back everyone to
everyone to
the
the
English class.
class.
Okay, before
For
we begin the
beginning of
class, I
class,
will
can
mute in
you
here. Okay, okay, now we will start the class. As I have told you before, that we will conduct an online class because due to some circumstances I cannot attend the class directly, so we'll have an online meeting for today. So before we jump into the materials, as I have told you that today we will talk about simple present tense. So the focus of today is the introduction of the simple present tense, when to use simple present tense, and what are the characteristics of the simple present tense. Okay, before we begin the material, I would like to introduce you to this platform called Mentimeters. So I will also present our material today using Mentimeters, but first I will introduce you to the platform. So I will share to you the screens of our material for today. Yeah, so in here I will share the screens. Okay, now you can see that this is the view of the Mentimeters, so you can just type directly the mentimeter.com and then you will enter the websites. Okay, now we will try to, so in mentimeter.com you can create quizzes or like presentations. So you can click here start new Menti if you want to create, or you can directly create using AI for your presentations. So you can click here the AI and then you can just create like quizzes, and then you can type whatever you want to create. So I will just show you this is the results of the presentation that I have created using AI, and then after it's already made by the AI, you can also modify it, like this one for example. Like you want to modify the correct answer, you can just create in here, and also you want to modify the how long the student need to answer the questions. You can type in here, you can modify it, and in here for example, like I want to create 10 seconds for the answer, and then it will directly edit it. You can also add like background and musics for the quiz, like here if I can create enable music, and then I could choose whatever the music that will appear on the questions. Okay, this is the leaderboard, so you can choose to add leaderboard for each questions. So like this one, for example, like you can click in here if you want to add the leaderboards on the each questions, and then it will appears the board like in here. Okay, and then you can also add the backgrounds, the pictures for the background. You can click in here and then you can add the picture that already in your computer, or you can also type in here what kind of the picture that you want to create, and then you can choose which are the pictures, and then you can just click save, and then will be appear in here. Okay, so it's very easy and then also very useful if you want to create a quiz or presentation using these platforms. Okay, that's all some introductions about the Mentimeter, and then we will directly go to our topic for today. So today we will talk about simple present tense. So you can see in here, and also I will send you the link for this Mentimeter, so you can click it. Okay, I will send you the links on the chat, and then we can click directly. Okay, now we will directly go to the presentations. Okay, I will start the presentation here. Okay, now you can as you can see in here, go back first. Okay, the introduction of the simple present. So the simple present is tenses they use to talk about daily habits and also daily routine. Yeah, so as you can see in here, and there's some problems in here. Okay, now as you can see in here, so the form of the simple present in here. So the base verb is used when we use a subject like I we they, and then we add s or s for she it. For example, like I eat and she eats. And for the this is the common vocabulary that we use in simple presents, like I woke up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, play games, and watch TV. And this is the examples of the simple present tense. Like I woke up at 7 a.m. She brushed her teeth every morning, and then they play games after school. So this is the adverb of frequency that we use in simple presents. Always, usually, sometimes, and never. This is an example. We always eat breakfast, or we sometimes watch TV. That are some example of simple present tense. And then in here you can type the example of the sentence in the chats. Okay, so you can directly send the samples on the presentation on the chats. Okay, I think so. That's all about our topic for today. For the summary, the simple presents are used to describe daily routine and habits. So we use best verb for subject I, we, they, and then we add as for he, she, it. And daily activities vocabulary helps build the sentence. Okay. Okay, I think that's all about our material for today. Thank you for all of your participations, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.